Hi everyone, today we briefly explore one of the most advanced lighting simulation software in the industry right now. So first we open a room and we can choose the type of room settings that we want. Here we choose a default hotel bedroom which has similar lighting to a regular residential bedroom. Yeah, and here we can choose the dimensions, length, width, height. Here we go. So here we enter into the room and the 3D view. This software has more than 200 internationally renowned lighting suppliers, so we have lots of options to choose from. The setting is 20 lux, equivalent to 20 watts, what we need for a regular hotel room. Here we usually play with the options to see the effects. Last but not least, after you have chosen your lights and your settings, the system will generate a professional report to let you see the overview of the number of lights and their respective models.